Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be making fried rice using leftover bacon and leftover rice. So if you like this type of video, just keep watching. Now this recipe is quick and easy. With my pan on a medium heat, I'll add my canola oil, followed by my garlic and ginger. I'll saute them until fragrant, being careful not to burn them. I'll now add my onions and saute until translucent. Time to add the frozen veggies. Now this combination can be all up to you. You can add whatever veggies you like, and you can even add a scrambled egg. Keep stirring the veggies, then add the rice in 3 parts, making sure it's evenly mixed. The rice is cold, so constant stirring will help to warm it up. Click the link above for my pineapple fried rice recipe, and the full recipe for this will be in the description box below. I'll now add 5 spice powder, soy sauce, red pepper flakes, and mix well. Give it a taste and add salt to your liking. Oops, almost forgot the bacon. Garnish with green onions and enjoy. As always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Wednesday and Friday when I post. Bye guys!